everyone! I am here today with my bathroom decluttering video. It's more of an organization type video, I think, because I didn't really declutter much. I do want to try to work through a lot of my products rather than just throwing them out or giving them away, because I know I will get to my conditioners, my body washes, my lotions, and the like. So I still have a huge stash, but I've stopped buying products that we have a ton of. So I just recently started buying shampoo again because we actually went through our entire stash, as well as bar soaps. So those are the areas that aren't too bad right now, but I still have a lot of products in various categories that I'm gonna keep trying to work through. So I did my very first bathroom declutter video a little more than a year ago, and a few of you were asking, isn't it time that you do that again? And it was time. So I went through and did the same process, clearing out my cabinets and such, cleaning everything, getting rid of old expired products, shifting some stuff around. But anyway, that's enough rambling. Let's jump right into the footage. Once again, I'm going to be starting with this cabinet that sits over our toilet. Same two glass bins down below. It's gotten a little bit messy again. Up here we have fewer products than last time, believe it or not, but still jam-packed with stuff. So I'm going to be checking expiry dates. I'm actually going to move all of the medication and things out of our bathroom. I think I'm going to store them in a little corner in the kitchen instead. And then everything else I'm just going to take out, go through, and sort into piles of keep or basically trash. So I just cleaned the cabinet with wood cleaner, and while I let it dry, I'm just gonna take you through the piles that I put on my bathroom floor here. So in this little corner here, I have some body products. Then I have my face products right here. My hair products are here, and I think this is my biggest pile. Here are our medications and stuff that have not expired that I think I will be bringing to the kitchen, except the Band-Aids. My husband has a ton of deodorants. A lot of these are little samples that we got from well.ca. And then his little collection of shave products, a couple of masks, some hand and cuticle oil, and then some self-tanners, which I have a lot of considering I don't self-tan. So here are the products that we're going to be letting go of. A lot of them are expired. This mask that I purchased in Paris is wonderful, but it's starting to smell off. And these facial cleansing wipes are all dried out. I still have to go through this bin, which is all samples, this little makeup bag. And once I go through the three of those, I think I'll start putting stuff back. So I've put some of the products back. I basically put in all of our hair products, so there's still quite a few, but I did go through them, and I think we will be using them all. So anyway, they're all in this section here. These are all of our face products, or most of them. I know I have a few more backups of the Aloe Calming Toner, and I'll be taking them out of my other storage area, and I think I'm going to put them here because I want all of my face products centralized in one area, so I kind of know what I have. And these are mostly cleansers, toners, and the like, scrubs and masks and things that I would use in the bathroom, like say after a shower or whatnot. Night creams and such I keep out in like my getting ready area. This Julep mask smells a little bit off. I know it's really old, so I'm going to be tossing this. This is their Mask Noir. This one smells nasty too, so I'm actually going to be tossing all of the masks that I had in the bathroom. I still have a ton of sheet masks, so I'm not too fussed about that. I just don't want to be putting on stuff that smells old on my face. I'm still sorting through a few products, but I did pull this product aside to try. This is the Evolve Total Control Styling Cream. Maybe I'll put the deodorants up here, and also the Band-Aids and the Bag Balm. Just went through all of my samples and I separated them into like these little Ziploc baggies, so it's a lot more organized. I just have body moisturizers, hair stuff, and then body cleansers, and then I have a bunch of Breathe Right nose strips that I'm just gonna keep loose. And then these are the little samples that I'm going to put elsewhere in the condo. So I know you can't see my face very well, but the important stuff in here you can see. I'm gonna be going through this area under my sink next, and there are a lot of products in here, so let's just go ahead and get started. Now completely empty under the sink, and around me is a huge mess. This wasn't as organized as my cabinet above the toilet. I kind of have stuff everywhere. I tried to do general categories, but as you can see, there is just so much stuff that I wasn't that successful. That being said, I think there are a few things that I can store away because there are a lot of extra products, such as my husband's contact lens solution. One of our friends actually gave us all of these minis, so I can store those away. Just a lot of stuff here that I can get organized, so I'm going to get to it. I emptied out all of these drawers. These are just like 3-drawer units that I got at Canadian Tire. I'm still going to be using them, but I just want to sort out everything that was inside, and I want to give them a quick cleaning as well. I am all done. Here's what it looks like under my bathroom sink. It's a lot neater. I actually didn't get rid of too many products, but I just reorganized everything, and it looks like there's a lot more room and everything is a lot more organized than it was before. In the middle here, I just have some body washes, my nail polish remover, some foot cream, my hand and cuticle scrub, and then I reorganized my shelving units here. This is the same. I just have tooth care in here. In here, I now have my feminine products, and I also have bar soaps because we used up so many of our bar soaps that it now only takes up half a drawer. And then in here, I just have more body wash. Body wash is something that I really need to work on. We're really good at using bar soap because my husband uses it and I also use it, but body wash, I think I'm the only one that uses it, so it just takes a really long time to get through it. And I haven't been taking bubble baths lately, but that's something I want to start doing over the holidays again. My hair tools are just up here. My husband's electric shaver is there. I put my Beauty So Clean cosmetic sanitizer on the side here because I use that to clean my Clarisonic. And then up here, I just have my husband's eye care stuff and also his shaving products and some extra razors. The next drawer is full of sheet masks. There's also some facial wipes. I also put my foot masks here, and that's something I want to use up over the holidays as well. And then finally in this last drawer, I just have some miscellaneous supplies. So I have some loofah sponges. I've also got these Latisse brushes that I use when I go on vacation, but I just use like a reusable one for my day-to-day. And then I just have some washcloths and things, just miscellaneous things back there. So that is basically it for under my sink. I've also tucked away some travel products. So if you see that little like floral bag, that's a cosmetic bag that I bring with me on vacation. So all of that travel type stuff is in the back here. So here is what my over the toilet storage unit looks like. It is still very, very full. We've been going through products like crazy over the past year or so, but still we have so much stuff remaining. So let's just start in these bins. I totally cleaned them out. I have all of our brushes and things in here. We have a lot of brushes, so I'm gonna try to maybe pare that down. And then in here are my little samples and such that I organized into the little Ziploc baggies. I've got some stuff in here that I use pretty much on a daily basis, just like headbands and some moisturizer, some Vaseline for my lips and such. And then on this side, I just have my husband's sunglass case and also a couple of like eye things back here for him. In terms of this big shelf here, I just have hair care products all along here, a lot of hair care. I'm gonna be trying to pare that down. I've got backups of some stuff that I recently purchased. I've also got some backups of like dry shampoo and stuff that I use on a regular basis. On this side here is all of our facial care products. Again, a lot of products, and I'm going to be trying to get through those. I've got lots of toner, but I use those regularly, so not a problem to use those up. And then on the top shelf, I just have some body care down here. It's all like lotions and things like that. I used to have some under the sink and some in here, but now I've consolidated all of them. And I've actually gone through a lot of my samples, but I still have a few full-size products that I need to get through. Over here are just our deodorants. Got some shaving things that are currently in use, and also some mouthwashes that we use from time to time. In terms of things that we're letting go of, it's just a small bag full. I think what I'm gonna do is reassess over the coming year, and if I try a few products that I don't really like, I'm just gonna toss them immediately rather than just having them collect dust. But I'm finding that our products are lasting such a long time, especially the full-size ones, that it's really hard to get through, and I don't want to keep switching products. I just want to use one until it's done. But anyway, just like half a bag full of stuff that we're going to be letting go of. So that is it for my bathroom decluttering and organization video. I hope you enjoyed it. It does look like a lot of product, but I promise you it is a lot less than I had before. In terms of the cabinet above the toilet, the products actually don't go as deep, and they're not stacked as closely together or one on top of the other like I had to when I did this video about a year and a few months ago. And in terms of the little glass containers that are in that unit, they're not as full as they were last time. Under the bathroom sink, there is less product. I was able to fit more into those little pull-out drawers. I know there's still a lot, but slowly but surely I am going to be working through them, and hopefully next year when I do this video, you guys will notice a more significant difference. So that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until I see you next time, please take care, and bye for now.